If you're taking the digital SAT, screenshot this whole series right now. These are the 22 tips that actually move your score, the highest leverage stuff most students never get told, one card at a time, test tactics, reading and writing, math, and digital SAT tricks. Follow so you don't lose it, and stay till the end for the tip that saves the most points. Never leave a single answer blank on the SAT, ever. There's no penalty for a wrong answer, so a blank is just a guaranteed 0. Even a random guess gives you a real shot at the point. Running low on time. Spam fill everything. Come and guess if nobody ever told you this, and follow for tip 2. Stop picking the right answer, start deleting the wrong ones. Cross out what's clearly wrong first. Going from 4 choices to 2 doubles your odds, and half the questions basically solve themselves once the trash is gone. Save this so you actually do it on test day, then keep swiping. The number 1 time killer on the SAT is getting stuck. If you've stared at a question for 30 seconds with no progress, flag it and move on. Bank the points you can get now, then circle back with all that saved time. Follow if you needed to hear that. Tip 5 is a game changer. That brutal question you're sweating over is worth the exact same point as the easy one. The SAT gives 0 bonus points for hard questions. So grab every quick, easy point first, then spend whatever's left on the tough ones. Drop a target emoji if this flips your whole strategy, and keep watching. Here's how to never run out of time on the SAT again. Know exactly where you should be at the halfway mark of each module. If you're behind at the midpoint, speed up early. Don't find out with 2 minutes left. Save this pacing trick, and follow for the reading and writing tips next. The reading trick top scorers use without even thinking. Before you look at the answer choices, answer the question in your own head. Then find the choice that matches. The tempting wrong options can't trick you anymore. Comment RW if you want more reading and writing hacks. Words and context questions are built to trap you. The common, everyday definition is usually the wrong answer. Read the whole sentence. The real meaning comes from the clues around the word, not the dictionary. Save this before your next reading section, and keep swiping. Transition questions get way easier with one quick move. Before you pick a word, name the relationship between the 2 ideas. Do they agree, contrast, or show cause? Once you know that, the right transition is obvious. Follow for the rest of these reading and writing tips. Command of evidence has one rule most people miss. The right answer directly supports the exact claim, not something kind of related, not mostly true. If it doesn't back up that specific point, it's wrong. Comment if evidence questions are your weak spot, and I'll go deeper. When 2 answers both look right, here's your tiebreaker. On writing questions, the shortest grammatically correct choice almost always wins. The SAT rewards tight, clear writing and quietly punishes extra words. Save this one. It wins you points on autopilot. The SAT hides wrong answers that look almost perfect. Watch for choices that are too extreme, only half right, or out of scope. One wrong word kills the entire answer, so read every option all the way through. Comment trap if you've been fooled by one of these. Stop picking grammar answers by what sounds right. Your ear misses the tricky ones. Test each choice against actual rules, subject-verb agreement, pronouns, punctuation, and the trap answers fall apart. Follow, because the math tips are next and they're gold. You get a built-in Desmos calculator, use it for everything. It graphs equations, solves systems, and finds intersections instantly. Tons of algebra questions become type it in and read the graph questions. Save this and go practice in Desmos tonight. You can solve a lot of SAT math without doing the algebra. When there are numbers in the answer choices, plug them back into the problem. Start with B or C since answers are often in order. You'll land on it fast. Comment math if you want a full back-solving breakdown. Variables everywhere. Just make up your own numbers. For problems full of X's and Y's, plug in something easy like 2 or 10. It turns scary algebra into simple arithmetic you can actually check. Save this trick. It's a lifesaver on the hard problems. Stop memorizing formulas the SAT literally hands you. Area, volume, and special triangles sit right at the top of every math module. Learn how to use them, not how to recite them from memory. Follow so you study the right stuff, not the wrong stuff. The most heartbreaking way to lose SAT points. You solve perfectly for X, but they wanted 2X, or X plus 3. Always reread the last line and answer the exact thing they asked for. Drop a crying emoji if this has happened to you. One little word can flip a right answer into a wrong one. Watch for how many more, percent change, and unit conversions. Underline what's actually being measured before you choose, so you don't answer the wrong question. Save this, and keep swiping for the digital SAT tricks. The digital SAT is watching how you do, literally. Your performance on Module 1 sets the difficulty of Module 2. Do your best early to unlock the harder, higher-scoring module and raise your ceiling. Follow if you didn't know the test adapts like this. There's a button in the SAT app you're not using enough. Flag any shaky question with Mark for review, then use the question navigator to jump right back. You control the order. Clear the easy ones first. Save this so you remember it on test day. Bluebook has built-in tools most students completely ignore. You can highlight text and leave notes right inside the app. Mark the clues as you read, so you never have to read a passage a second time. Comment Bluebook if you want a full app walkthrough. That countdown timer stressing you out? You control it. Use it to pace yourself, or hide it completely if it spikes your anxiety. It toggles on and off with one tap, so make it work for you. Follow for more calm, confident test day tips. That's all 22. Here's what to do with them. Tap save so this cheat sheet is one tap away, then actually go practice them. Full lessons, diagnostics, and Desmos walkthroughs are on the site. Follow at SAPREP1600AI and comment which tip you're using first.